this. Yep. Kent State to pull away. Fake is on, there it goes, it's a first down. Midfield, 45-40, a hurdle, Terhune, far side 20, 15, 10, he's gonna score, he's going in, and the Flash is busted open.
The play of the year, a 61-yard run, and he hurdled. The only man back there, what in the world did Nate Terhune, he looked like Trey Archer.
And that sideline has erupted in Athens.
That's with a broken leg. He broke his leg 7 weeks ago. He's hurdling defenders. Oh my, that is
Paul
the play
Haynes,
of the year.
Paul Haynes just jumped headlong. Listen. Paul Haynes just jumped headlong into the hands of Terhune.